In this video, I'll be presenting some technical steps you can take to help ensure your ad campaigns are served to target audiences with the highest propensity to buy from you, and that your conversion events will be accurately tracked. As a reminder, conversion events are most commonly known as purchases, but can also include things like add to cart and submit a lead form. So the first step you need to take is verifying your website domain. There are three options here, and I'll start with what I believe is the easiest one first. To start, go to your Facebook Business Manager settings, then click on Brand Safety. Add your domain, and then hit refresh. Once you refresh the page, you will see a set of instructions. Select the option Meta Tag Verification. Copy the snippet code provided, then add it to the head section of your homepage. Finally, return to Business Manager and click Verify. Alternatively, you can verify through your website's domain name server, or DNS for short. Follow the instructions provided by Facebook, which will guide you through the process of adding a DNS text record to your domain. Once you complete these steps, you can then click the green Verify button after the text is added to your site. This may take a few minutes, as long as 72 hours to verify. There's a third way to verify your domain, but you'll need access to your site's root directory. This option requires you to download an HTML verification file. Once you download this file, you'll be able to upload it to your site's root directory. The root directory is the folder that's accessed when internet users type your domain name into the search bar of their browser. The easiest way to find where the root directory is located within your website is to search for root directory in the search function of your website host. Once you've located the root directory, upload Facebook's HTML file. The process to upload the file depends on your host, so you may need to contact customer support if you run into any roadblocks. Once you've added the file to your website, head back to Facebook and click that green Verify button. I recommend using this method if you do not have time for the 72-hour verification window using the DNS text record. For event producers, there are some extra, very important and required considerations when it comes to domain verification. Marketing websites for most events link out their prospective buyers to third-party ticketing sites to complete their ticket purchase. Previously, an advertising pixel could track a ticket buyer's journey across multiple domains by placing a pixel on both the marketing site and ticketing site. Now, with the requirement of domain verification, this becomes more challenging. And without a verified domain on your ticketing platform, you will not be able to track purchases, retarget potential buyers who have abandoned their cart, segment out buyers from receiving future ads, and more. So, what's the solution? Ask your ticketing provider to add you to their business manager as a partner. This will require you to send your ticketing provider your Facebook Business ID, which can be found by going into your business manager settings and clicking Business Info. Next, your ticketing company can grant you partner access by going to Business Settings, selecting Partners under the User section, and then choosing Add. From there, they'll need to select Give a Partner Access to Your Assets, and then enter your business ID. Once they grant you partner access to their domain and they've gone through the steps to verify their domain with Facebook, you should then be able to create ads that successfully target high-value audiences and track conversions. If you cannot gain partner access to your ticketing site's domain, if possible, you should establish a private purchase confirmation page on your own website. This page should not be accessible to anyone who has not already purchased a ticket from you. So, to hide this page from Google searches, work with your web developer to add a nofollow HTML tag to that page. A basic online search will reveal all you need to know about nofollow tags, so we're not going to dig into that during this video. Once your private confirmation page is set up, work with your ticketing provider to enable a way to auto-redirect ticket purchasers back to this new confirmation page on your verified domain. Doing this will allow purchase conversions to be tracked. Some ticketing platforms allow you to white label their site by using your domain to establish a subdomain. For example, a prospective ticket buyer on festival.com will click a Buy Tickets button and then be sent to tickets.festival.com. The purpose of the tickets.festival.com subdomain is to provide a more seamless, trustworthy, and branded experience for potential buyers. And in the case of this recent iOS update, it becomes simpler to verify your ticketing site's domain with Facebook since you already own the domain and subdomain. So we encourage ticketing platform providers who do not already offer this option to consider establishing it for their clients. In the next video, we'll be exploring important Facebook campaign measurement changes you need to know about. If you have any questions about anything that you've heard so far, please message info@bowerem.com.